Hello, Saif. How have you been?
Yes, Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm about the moon today. Okay, Saif. Why? Why come you have been here today?
Actually, I have come here for learning English because every day we come here for practicing our English in outdoor with my honorable teachers and mentors. Why have you come here?
I also come here for practicing English speaking with my friends. So, okay, Saif. Why do you want to learn English?
Actually, you know that very well. I want to improve my speaking, and you know that very well. English is an international language, so everyone wants to learn it, and I also want to go to abroad for higher education. That's why I admitted at English Fantasy, as well as if you know English speaking properly, so you will get a good job in future, and we can communicate another people. So that's why I want to learn English properly. So could you tell me, now, please, what is your ambition in your life?
Okay, thanks. So actually, from my childhood, I wanted to go abroad. Then I will achieve a good score in my IELTS exam. Then I will. Then I want to complete my BSc from Australia. Inshallah, I will after completing IELTS exam. Then I will go my dream country. That's why I admitted at English Fantasy. So thank you, Saif sir. Thank you. Nice to meet you, Saif sir.
Thank you. Actually, it
See you
was
again.
nice talking to you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.